Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Lectures Ruksha. So in this video I am going to explain about the liquid limit. In this video I am going to explain about the experiment the liquid limit. So in this we are determining the liquid limit by using the Casagrande apparatus. Casagrande apparatus. So by using Casagrande apparatus we are going to determine the liquid limit of a soil sample. So the reference for the liquid limit of the soil sample, we can take the reference IS code 2720 part 5. So this is taken as a reference for determining the liquid limit of the soil sample. So the apparatus required for the liquid limit is Casagrande liquid limit apparatus. It will be having a brass cup and a base plate with a grooving tool and spatula and a sieve of 425 microns and an evaporating dishes and wash bottle, weighing balance, airtight container to determine the water content, and similarly a thermostatically oven. So coming to the procedure, so for determining the procedure of the liquid limit, first of all we have to take about 120 grams of air-dried or oven-dried soil sample from thoroughly mixed portion of material passing to 425 micron ISC. Our first step is to we have to take 120 grams of soil sample. This soil sample should be passed to 425 micron ISC. So before taking the soil sample, we have to take the soil sample and we have to pass the soil sample through 425 micron ISC. So from that soil sample, we are taking 120 grams of soil sample for determining the liquid limit. Next, a sufficient amount of water is mixed to the soil to form a uniform paste. Next, some amount of water is added to the soil sample. Sufficient amount of water will be added to the soil sample until we will get a uniform paste. For getting a uniform paste, we have to add some sufficient amount of water to the 120 grams of the soil sample. A portion of the paste is placed in the cup of Casagrande apparatus and spread into portion with the help of a spatula. Our third step is to the portion of paste is placed in the Casagrande's cup. In the Casagrande's apparatus, we will be having a Casagrande's cup. So in this Casagrande's cup, we are placing the paste, and we have to spread the paste throughout the cup by using a spatula. This is our third step. Coming to fourth step, trim the paste into a depth of 1 centimeter at the point of maximum thickness and return excess of soil to the point. Next, we have to trim the soil sample. After placing the soil sample in the Casagrande's cup, we have to trim the soil sample to a depth of 1 centimeter thickness. At a depth of 1 centimeter thickness, we have to trim the soil sample and remaining excess soil should be and remove the excess soil. So this is our fourth step. Coming to fifth step, the soil in the cup shall be divided by the firm strokes of grooving tool among the diameter to the center line of the follower so that the clean sharp groove of the proper dimension is found. What we have to do? We have to cut and level the soil sample by using a groove. So with the help of a groove, we have to cut the soil sample until proper dimension is formed. Okay, in our fourth step, we have to divide the soil sample in the cup by using a grooving tool. By using a grooving tool, we have to divide the soil sample in the cup with the proper until the proper dimensions are formed. Coming to sixth step, we have to lift and drop the cup by turning cranks at the rate of 2 revolutions per second until the two half of the soil cake come in contact with each other. Our sixth step is to we have to lift and drop the cup. We have to lift and drop the cup at a rate of 2 revolutions per second. 2 revolutions per second means for every second we have to give 2 revolutions and we have to lift and drop the cup. Up to which time we have to do this procedure? Until two half of the soil cake come in contact. We have to lift and drop the cup until two halves of soil come in contact with each other. Until the two halves come in contact or get close to each other, we have to continue the procedure. The number of blows required to cause the groove close for about 1 centimeter shall be recorded. Next we have to record the number of blows required to close the groove. So for closing the groove, how many number of blows are required? We have to count the number of blows required for closing the groove. A representative portion of the sample is taken from the cup to the container for water content determination. Next, a representative sample taken from the cup. A representative sample is taken from the cup, and we have to keep it in the oven. The sample will be kept in the oven for water content determination. The test is repeated with different moisture content. Incremental order up to the blows are between 10 to 40. Our final step is the test is repeated for different moisture content. So for different types of moisture content, we are going to repeat this procedure. So once again I am going to explain the procedure. Liquid limit, determination of the liquid limit by using the Casagrande apparatus. First of all, we have to take 120 grams of air dry soil sample, which should be passing to 425 micron ISC. Next, we have to add some amount of water to the soil sample until it will be forming a uniform paste. Next, a portion of the paste is placed in the cup of the Casagrande apparatus and it is spread into the portion by using a spatula. Next is, we have to trim the soil sample up to the depth of 1 centimeter thick, and we have to remove the excess soil, and we have to keep the soil in the container. Next to the soil in the cup shall be divided, or it can be cut and level. The soil which we have kept in the cup, it is cut and level by using a groove until the proper dimensions are formed. We have to lift and drop the Casagrande cup at a rate of 2 revolutions per second. Means per every second we are giving 2 revolutions to lift and drop the cup up to until 2 half of the soil will be getting contact with each other. Until the 2 half of the soil get contact with each other, we have to lift and drop the cup. Next step is we have to count the number of blows which are required to close the groove. For closing the groove, or when the 2 half are coming close to each other, how many blows are required, we have to calculate. Next, a representative sample is taken from the cup and it is kept in the oven for water content determination. Next, some soil sample will be taken from the cup and that soil sample is kept in the oven for determining the water content. Similarly, this test can be repeated for different types of moisture contents. Usually, we can take the blows between 10 to 40. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to friends. Thank you everyone.